Dexter Lawrence
like that.
completely took over this football game.
Oh my
I don't
God.
think it can be understated enough rewatching how dominant he was rushing from the nose.
I love when you talk about D linemen.
He's one of the 3 best defensive tackles in the league, I would say.
excited.
Yes.
So you talked a little bit about Wink Martindale. Slide dog. Changing up those tendencies. Blitzing on only 20% of dropbacks,
Yeah.
second lowest of the season. They got punished for blitzing the last time these teams met. The other thing he did was they played a ton of quarters in this game. We were talking about this earlier. Basically just sitting on everything and then tackling. And that's what struck me. You know, they had Xavier McKinney back in this game and Adoree Jackson. If you had asked me before the season, I would have said this Giants secondary is maybe the worst in the NFL. They have improved so much.
Yeah.
They were limiting every Minnesota pass catcher after the catch, and that's a big part of the reason why they
I
won.
don't usually do this. Y'all want a dope stat?
Yeah, sure.
Dope stat, all right?
All right.
When Justin Jefferson goes over 90 yards,
Yeah.
the Minnesota Vikings score 28 points a game. They're 10-1 on the season.
Okay.
When he's held under 90, they're 3-3, and they average 18 points a game.
Dope. That was dope.
Who got
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN Plus.